Hello, everybody. This is a quick tip to get you reconnected to your Google Chrome after the summer refresh of your computer. If you sign into Google Chrome, it will refresh your bookmarks and any of the tools that you've added last year. So in the upper right-hand corner, you're going to click the U, this little icon looking, turn on sync, and then you're going to be asked to put in your Google account. And after you do that, it's going to kick you over to the portal. Sign into the portal. Good reminder now if you haven't changed your password to do that. I haven't yet. I will. And then it says, do you want to confirm this is you? Continue. And this should then ask if you want to link your data. And then it's going to ask you if you want to sync. This sync means everything that you do in your Chrome browser on one machine can be used on another machine. So you click yes, I'm in. And then you'll see there's my bookmarks have been restored, and slowly the tools that I use, like Web Paint, Color Picker, and some other things, begin to show up here as well in my extension up by the Omnibar. So that's a great way to reconnect to work that you were doing last year, and hopefully that will help get you started.